Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you will notice from watching this video, we do not live in the old apartment that you used to know from my former videos. We now live in beautiful Florida, and this is an apartment that we moved in about a year ago. However, we will be moving soon, and even though the apartment is not complete anymore because I have been packing away stuff such as nightstand lamps or different decorative items, I thought I should squeeze in a little house tour video before we completely move out of this place. The master bedroom is kept pretty simple, pretty minimal. I opted for all white sheets. I also have all white towels, and we have a small walk-in closet and a master bedroom bathroom. My youngest, who is 15 months old, still shares the bedroom with mommy and daddy. We actually keep him in this travel cot that we brought from Germany and that travels with us every single time we sleep over in a hotel or at a friend's house. And the reason we have this travel cot is because it's so soft and cushy. This bed prevents very hard bumps. Last year, when we moved back from Germany to the US, we knew we wanted to become homeowners sometime soon. This 3-bedroom rental apartment definitely has been an upgrade from the home we lived in Germany. Now, both of the older kids had their own room, their own little private space, and they enjoyed the feeling of ownership they got with their own little personalized space. If you like this video, then hit that like button down below and let me know if you want to have an empty house tour of the new house, which is a townhouse in southern Florida. Let me know if you would like to see something like that, and I'll catch you next time.